What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a website shortcut icon to your phone's home screen. This is useful because you have the ability to jump right into a web page at the touch of a button. With that being said, let's jump into this. First, you're going to want to open up your WordPress website. On the left side, you're going to want to locate your Appearance tab. Inside this, you will then select Customize. Once inside, select Site Identity. The location of this tab will change depending on the theme of your website. At the bottom it will say Site Icon. This is also known as a favicon. A favicon is an icon associated with a URL that will be located at the top of your screen on the tab. Moving on to the second step, let's jump back to your smartphone. From here you are going to find your web browser. For example, I will be using Safari. After typing in the URL, select this button located at the bottom of your screen. This will pull up your options. From here, scrolling to your left will reveal an Add to Home Screen button. From here, you can type in anything you want. Whatever you type in will appear under the icon on your home page. I just want to thank you all for watching, and if you want to see more tutorials, head over to my website at zeacreates.com, and I'll see you in the next one.